Boys, after doing the activity, we will move toward our exercise, and question number 8 is convert the following as required. This question number 8 is same as our activity, but here you can see they have made a blank. So for this blank we have to solve it. We have to convert 300 meter into kilometers, and you all have done converting meters into kilometers. As we all know, 1000 meters make 1 kilometer, so we have to divide 300 with 1000. So boys, here we are going to do our solution. We will write 300 meters, okay? And we have to convert it into kilometers. So you know that we have to divide it with 1000. So here we are writing 1000 in the denominator. And as it is 300, 0, and 3. Now this meter is converted into kilometers, and we can also write in a bracket so that we don't forget that 1000 meters equals to 1 kilometer. So here we have converted by dividing. And you all know when there is the 100, 1000 and 10 in the denominator, we can convert it into the decimal. So boys, let's make it the decimal. 1 will turn into the point, and after 1 there are 3 digits, and in the numerator we also have 3 digits, that is 3, 0 and 0 and 1 more 0. So before there is nothing, we will write 0.300 kilometer. And can anyone tell, do I have to write these zeros? We have learned in the rules that the zeros after decimal point have no value. So we can simply write it as 0.3 kilometers. Okay. So these zeros do not have any value because it is 0.300. It is not 300. So now here we can write, boys, 0.3 and kilometer is given over here. Now we will move toward our next sum, that is 25 millimeter equals to dash centimeters. Okay. Let's write the sum. Let's start doing our sum. As you all know that 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter, means we have to divide it with 10. So I will write 25 millimeters equals to 25 divided by 10 centimeters. Now boys, I am leaving this sum on you. You have to complete it and then write over here. Okay, let me help you. As it is 1 will become the decimal point. There is 1 digit after 1. So that 1 digit in the right hand side is 5, and before 1 is 2. It is 2.5 centimeters. Okay. Our next sum, boys, is 90 centimeter equals to dash meter. I am leaving this sum on you. We have done a sum like this in the activity, so you can take guidance from it. So boys, after doing question number 8, we will do word problem number 1 on page number 116. And this word problem is, Asan drove his car 20 kilometers and 15 meters in morning. Okay. So in the morning he drove 20 kilometers and 15 meters. In the evening, when it gets evening, he drove 30 kilometers in 150 meters. Okay. How much distance did he cover? We have to find the total distance. So boys, our first statement will be, Asan drove in morning is 20 kilometers and 15 meters. Now we will write, he drove in evening. He as it is a instance that is done in past, so we are writing the second form. He drove in evening. E-V-E-N-I-N-G. Evening. And we have to write the equals to under equals to, and it is 30 kilometer 15 meters. So boys, we will write over here 30 30 and kilometer under kilometer. Okay, now you can see boys, it is 150 and it is 15. Okay, so 150, we will write 0 under 5, 5 under 1 and 1 over here. There is no third digit. And meters. So how much distance he covered? How much distance? Our third statement is how much distance. D-I-S-T-A-N-C-E. We will write equals to under equals to and here addition, and then we will draw lines and then we will add. As you know boys, addition, subtraction, multiplication start from the right hand side. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 3 is 5. So the total distance is 50 kilometer 165 meters. Okay, we will write the answer over here. He covered, second form C-O-V-E-R-E-D. He covered 50 kilometers 165 meters. Okay.